How to make Halloween glitter ghost glasses with Cricut. Step 1. Open the Cricut design space and upload the design on canvas. Step 2. Select the design and click on Ungroup. Step 3. Remove the designs you don't want. Step 4. Resize the design, then right-click on it and select Duplicate. Step 5. Click on Make It, then press the Continue button to select the material type. Step 6. In Set Base Material, select Vinyl. Step 7. Select More in Pressure. Step 8. Place the vinyl on the mat. Step 9. Load the cutting mat in the Cricut machine and press the Load button to start cutting. Step 10. After cutting, unload the mat. Step 11. Peel the vinyl from the cutting mat. Step 12. On your design space, open a new project. Step 13. Upload a Stars Peekaboo design on canvas. Step 14. Resize the design according to your needs. Step 15. Select the design and click on Attach. Step 16. Click on Make It, then press the Continue button. Step 17. Select your desired vinyl material type. Step 18. Place the vinyl over the cutting mat. Step 19. Load the cutting mat to cut the design. Step 20. Unload the cutting mat and peel off the vinyl. Step 21. Weed out the excess vinyl. Step 22. Clean your wine glasses with a dry paper cloth and rubbing alcohol. Step 23. Add the stickers on the bottom part of the glass. Step 24. Add the stars stickers on the bottom of the other glass. Step 25. Add a painter's tape on the glass in an even line. Step 26. Apply a dishwasher-safe Mod Podge on the bottom of the glass with a brush. Step 27. Sprinkle glitter over the glass. Step 28. Do the same with other glass. Step 29. Add another layer of Mod Podge and glitter over the glass. Step 30. Add a third layer of Mod Podge on the bottom part of the glass, then let it dry out completely. Step 31. After 24 hours, remove the tape gently from the glass. Step 32. Measure the top part of the glass to know how much space is left. Step 33. Open your Design Space app and upload a cool Halloween text design. Step 34. Resize the design according to the space left on your glass. Step 35. Select the design and click on Ungroup. Step 36. Select the black part of the design and click on Attach. Step 37. Perform the same step for the other design parts. Step 38. Remove the white layer of the design if you don't need it. Step 39. Click on Make It. Step 40. Move the green part of the design onto the black mat to cut the design together. Step 41. Click on Continue. Step 42. Select your material type. Step 43. Select the pressure. Step 44. Inset the vinyl over the cutting mat correctly. Step 45. Load the cutting mat in the Cricut machine and press the Load button to start cutting. Step 46. Unload the cutting machine and remove the vinyl. Step 47. Create vinyl for other glasses. Step 48. Weed out the excess vinyl from the design. Step 49. Place a transfer tape over the vinyl text sticker, then scrape it. Step 50. Peel off the backing sheet from the design. Step 51. Place the transfer tape with the text design over the green bubble design. Step 52. Scrape the design with scraper tool. Step 53. Wipe the top area of the glass. Step 54. Gently transfer the design over the glasses. Step 55. Remove the transfer tape. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.